As we say goodbye to year 2024, we remember this year as a year of achievement, year of growth, and year of a lot of enjoyment.
It was the year where dreams turned into reality, challenges became opportunities, and the CT family grew stronger than ever.
With the dawn of 2025, we embark on a journey filled with new aspirations, fresh opportunities, and the determination to reach greater heights.
May this new year brings joy to your heart, strength to your dream, and all the success for all your future endeavors.
To our students, staff, and faculty members, thank you for making CT University a hub of innovation, inspiration, knowledge, and entertainment.
Together, we will continue in this transformational journey ahead in the year 2025, wishing each and everyone Happy New Year from the CT family. Let's make year 2025 a year to remember.